Hello! Welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're talking about causative verbs. These special causative verbs are very tricky. My students make mistakes with them very often. So we're going to look at the different rules and how to use them correctly. Let's practice. Our first example is make. Make is similar to force when you have authority. Like a boss, a parent, or a teacher. They are the authority. And the employee, the child, or the student has no choice. Let's look at some examples. Example: his boss makes him come to work at 7 a.m. He has no choice. The boss is the authority, so we use the action make. And there's no connector to, no to come, only his boss makes him come to work at 7 a.m. Let's practice. What time does his boss make him come to work?
His boss makes him come to work at 7.
What time does his boss make him come to work? Very good. Example: the mother makes her kids clean the house. The kids have no choice. The mother is the authority. She makes them clean. And remember, no to, not to clean, only clean. Let's practice. Does the mother make her kids clean the house?
Yes, the mother makes her kids clean the house.
Does the mother make her kids clean the house? Very good. Example: the teacher makes the students read in class. The students have no choice, and the teacher is the authority. So we use makes. And remember, for the second verb, no to. The teacher makes the students read in class. Let's practice. Does the teacher make the students read?
Yes, the teacher makes the students read in class.
Does the teacher make the students read in class? Very good. Another example of a causative verb is let. Let expresses permission. It comes from a boss, a parent, or a teacher. They give permission to an employee, a child, or a student. Use the action let. Example: his boss lets him take a break at 10 a.m. The boss, she, gives permission for him to take a break. So, his boss lets him take a break at 10 a.m. And remember, no to take, no to, only verb take. Let's practice. What time does his boss let him take a break?
His boss lets him take a break at 10.
What time does his boss let him take a break? Very good. Example: his mom lets him play video games. So the mom is the authority, and she gives permission to her son to play video games. But remember, with let, no to, only verb play. His mom lets him play video games. Let's practice. Does his mom let him play video games?
Yes, his mom lets him play video games.
Does his mom let him play video games? Very good. Example: the teacher doesn't let them use their cell phones in class. The teacher is the authority, and she gives permission, or she doesn't give permission, for the students to use their cell phone. In this case, she doesn't give permission. She doesn't let the students use. Remember, no to use. After let, always use the action with no to. The teacher doesn't let them use their cell phones in class. Let's practice. Does the teacher let them use their cell phones?
No, the teacher doesn't let them use their cell phones in class.
Does the teacher let them use their cell phones in class? Very good. Help is a causative verb, but there's no authority. They're equals. And with help, it is better no to for the second action. It always sounds correct. It always sounds good. Sometimes people use to, but it always sounds better with no to. So I recommend no to with help. Let's practice. Example: This is his couch. His friend helped him move the couch. We see the second action, move, there's no to. He helped him move the couch. Let's practice. Did he help him move the couch?
Yes, he helped him move the couch.
Did he help him move the couch? Very good. So remember our three special causative verbs. They're causative because they make another action. They make a person do another action. And remember why they're special. We don't use to for the second action.
Thank you for watching.
And if you want to improve your English and avoid making mistakes, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.